Now, in this question is asking the number of stereo centers present in the linear and the cyclic structure of the glucose are respectively. Options are 5 and 5, then 4 and 4, then 5 and 4, then 4 and 5. Now, if we write the solution, we know that these are the structures. This is the open chain structure, and chiral carbon is that carbon to which 4 different groups are attached. So here, this is the chiral carbon, this is chiral carbon, this is chiral, and this is chiral. So total number of chiral carbons are 4. Now in the cyclic structure, this is chiral, this is chiral, this is chiral, this is chiral, and this is also chiral. So the total number of structures are 5. So total number of chiral carbon 5, total number of chiral carbon 4. Hence our answer will be the fourth one. So the correct option is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Now, in this question is asking the difference between delta H and delta U, that is delta H minus delta U, enthalpy minus internal energy change, when the combustion of 1 mole of heptane is carried out at the room temperature T will be equal to. The 4 options are given, we have to find out the correct option. So, let's find the solution. So for this we have to write down the equation first, and since it is heptane, the formula of heptane is C7H16 plus oxygen O2, and it will give us CO2 and H2O. Now we have to balance this reaction. When we balance this reaction, it will be 11 O2 and 7 CO2 and 8 H2O. But H2O is liquid, CO2 is a gas, oxygen is a gas, and this is liquid, right? Now, we know that the enthalpy change delta H can be written as delta U plus delta NG RT, right? Means we have to take the number of moles of gases. So we will not take this, we will not take this also. We have to find out the change in the number of moles of gases. So from here we can write delta H minus delta U is equal to delta NG RT, and it is final minus initial. So 7 moles are here, 7 minus 11 into RT, and it is equal to minus 4 RT. So this is the correct answer, but we have to check the option, and the option is option number 4. So the answer is the fourth one, right? Let's move on to the next question. Now, in this question he is asking which one of the following graphs between the molar conductivity lambda m versus root C is correct. So there are 2 electrolytes are given, one is KCl, another is NaCl, and graphs are given, and we know that as we decrease the concentration, the value of lambda m increases, but since the ionic mobility of K plus is more than that of Na plus, the correct answer, if we see, it should be the third one, because the conductivity of KCl is more than that of NaCl. So the answer is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question.